The what? You really catch one? No, you did not.
Yep, you throw it right on his chest and you have cover his leg.
How does he actually grabs it? Where's this guy from? I figured he's from Georgia or Tennessee or something. Alabama. Minnesota? No, he knows chicken food.
No, throw it. Otherwise the plate's in the way.
That doesn't matter. The
No.
birds eat off the plate.
Well, but he's got to be able to catch it.
And the plate will be in the way.
Yeah, don't put the plate up.
Throw it.
Just grab a handful of
And then
it.
throw
Throw them
it
out
right
there.
here. Throw one and have it land right here.
Okay.
On his chest.
Not the whole plate.
I know.
Just throw one, practice, so they know it's coming.
Here they go.
Ay, qué asco, todo para atrás.
There. Okay, ready?
Ay, está
Now let him go. We're going to get more.
está grande.
Okay.
¿Qué le hace? ¿Qué le hace?
Ready? Let him go.
Bueno, vete,
Go. Now you attract it, so no way!
That was pretty quick, man. Watch, he hides there. They want to see you do it again.
Alright, one more. Here, hold on.
Watch this. This is hilarious.